If you're looking for a simple, high-impact way to elevate your home's curb appeal and increase resale value in Gilbert, replacing your entry door is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Your front door is the first thing visitors and potential buyers notice, and in a competitive real estate market like Gilbert, even small improvements can make a big difference. A new entry door instantly refreshes your home's exterior, improves security, and boosts energy efficiency, all while offering one of the best returns on investment among home improvement projects. Enhancing curb appeal. Instantly, Gilbert homeowners take pride in their properties, and curb appeal plays a huge role in home value. A new entry door revitalizes your home's appearance and sets the tone for the rest of the exterior. Modern door designs, bold colors, and stylish hardware can transform a dated facade into a welcoming, contemporary entrance. Whether you choose a sleek fiberglass door with decorative glass or a solid steel door in a vibrant color, the right design enhances architectural style and helps your property stand out. Buyers in Gilbert want homes that feel move-in ready, and a fresh, attractive entryway signals excellent maintenance and care. Improved energy efficiency for Arizona's climate. Gilbert's heat is no joke, and energy efficiency is a major selling point for local homeowners. If your current door has gaps, warping, or outdated materials, you're likely losing cool air and overworking your HVAC system. A new, well-insulated entry door creates a tight seal that helps regulate indoor temperatures, lowers utility bills, and reduces wear on your air conditioning. Materials like fiberglass and insulated steel perform exceptionally well in Arizona's climate. Many modern doors include advanced weather stripping and energy-efficient cores designed specifically to handle extreme heat. When buyers know they won't be hit with high cooling costs, your home becomes significantly more attractive on the market. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Your entry door isn't just the centerpiece of your home's exterior, it's also a critical security feature. Older doors with worn frames or outdated locks are easier for intruders to breach. Upgrading to a new entry door instantly strengthens your home's first line of defense. Many new doors come with multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant materials. Even decorative glass inserts can be made with laminated or tempered glass for added safety. Buyers value homes that prioritize security, and this upgrade shows your property is both stylish and safeguarded. A high return on investment, ROI, among home improvement projects, few deliver such a powerful ROI as replacing the entry door. Realtors often highlight the front entry as a key selling feature, and studies consistently show that entry door replacement ranks as one of the top upgrades for resale value. In Gilbert's growing housing market, buyers are looking for homes that require minimal upgrades after move-in. A new entry door makes your property feel updated, efficient, and secure, qualities that make your home more competitive and more valuable. Customization to match your home's style. One of the most exciting benefits of replacing your entry door is the wide variety of options available. Homeowners in Gilbert can choose from fiberglass doors for durability and low-maintenance, steel doors for superior security, wood-look finishes for warmth, and elegance, glass inserts for natural light and visual appeal, custom colors and hardware to complement your exterior. This level of personalization lets you tailor your entryway to your taste while increasing your home's desirability. Conclusion: if you're ready to add value, beauty, and efficiency to your Gilbert home, upgrading your entry door is one of the most effective ways to do it. With an impressive return on investment, enhanced curb appeal, and improved energy performance, a new entry door offers long-lasting benefits for you now and for future buyers. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want a stunning, secure entrance, this upgrade is a smart choice for any Gilbert homeowner.